Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Store error pardon the interruption in Windows 11. First method is type Wsreset in Windows search bar, click Wsreset. Second method is type Control in Windows search bar, click Control panel. Click Date and Time. Click Internet Time, click Change Settings. Click Update Now. Third method is click Start, Settings, click System Components. Click three dots under Microsoft Store, click Advanced Options. Repair and reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.